and this we're working with worksheet A, part 1. And also 6.4, page 358. And also, you don't want to forget this, the chapter review. Page is 370 and 372, or 72. And this gets into applications. And that's with percents. Okay, we'll start with looking at worksheet A, part 1. And again, our model that we worked with before was percent of our base is our amount. Where we had percent of times is equals. And our problem states Sally receives 3% commission. Of her total sales. If her total sales were 152,700, then what was her commission? Okay, so in this case, we have 3%, right? So it's a good idea to go ahead and write this into our model. 3%, or we can also write this as 3 over 100 times our base. If her total 3% commission of her total sales, if her total sales were 152,700, that's going to be our base. And what was her commission? Okay? So we want to get to know, all right, what fraction or what percentage of our total is 3%. Okay? So we can say, all right, 3 over 100, that's going to be point what? 0.03, careful. Right? Times 152,700. And, you know, at this point, if you're working with a decimal here, not a good idea to use a dot for multiplication. So we'll change that to a parentheses. Okay, so 0.03 times 152,700. Well, let's see what that looks like on the calculator. 0.03 times 152,52700. Now, when you're working with this on the calculator, you have to be careful when you're working with percents that you move that decimal point over 2 places, because it's just too easy to make that a 0.3 instead of 0.03. 0.3 is not 3%, what is that? 30%, right? So you have to be careful, they're totally different numbers. Okay, so we get 4581. Alright? And that's dollars. And if you wanted to, you could, you don't have to put, the penny in there. But, technically that's what this is, right? But you could just leave it as 4581. No decimal point in there. Questions with that?